Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, so you never miss out on our latest home improvement tips and DIY projects. Today, we are going to show you how to transform your gazebo into a stunning outdoor space. Whether you want a cozy retreat, a dining area, or a social hub, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Tip 1. Choose comfortable seating. Our first tip is to choose comfortable seating. A gazebo can be a perfect spot to relax, so make sure you have plenty of seating options. Consider outdoor sofas, lounge chairs, and plenty of cushions. Mix and match different pieces to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Tip 2. Add lighting. Next, add lighting to your gazebo. String lights, lanterns, and solar-powered lamps can create a warm and inviting ambience, perfect for evening gatherings. Don't forget to add task lighting if you plan to use your gazebo for dining or reading. Tip 3. Incorporate textiles. Incorporate textiles to add warmth and style. Outdoor rugs, curtains, and throw blankets can make your gazebo feel like an extension of your home. Choose weather-resistant fabrics that can withstand the elements while adding color and texture to the space. Tip 4. Use greenery. Greenery is key to transforming your gazebo into a stunning outdoor space. Use potted plants, hanging baskets, and even climbing vines to add a touch of nature. Plants not only enhance the aesthetic appeal, but also create a sense of tranquility. Tip 5. Create a dining area. If you love dining outdoors, consider creating a dining area in your gazebo. A dining table and chairs can turn your gazebo into the perfect spot for family meals or entertaining guests. Choose durable, weather-resistant furniture that can stand up to the elements. Tip 6. Install a fire pit or heater. For cooler evenings, a fire pit or heater can make your gazebo warm and cozy. A fire pit adds a rustic touch and serves as a focal point for gatherings, while a portable heater ensures you stay warm even on chilly nights. Make sure to follow all safety guidelines when using fire pits or heaters. And there you have it, 7 tips to transform your gazebo into a stunning outdoor space. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your own gazebo transformation tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home improvement ideas and DIY projects. Thanks for watching.